Hold on.
Guys, back at it again with this DS800 by 4. Okay, the problem I have with these, with this side warming up is a thing of the past now. The problem is I washed the board with my thinner, and everything, and I don't know, maybe some solder bridge, some loose solder was those little solder ball were touching somewhere, but this thing is working perfect. Alright, this is the other side. Come on, sorry, come on, play. Everything, and this is cold. It's cold, very, very cold like puppy nose. So you must know how cold it is. Everything is good, everything is fine, it's working. You see it pour up, and that's it for this one. That's funny. Okay guys, that's it for this video. CNC electronics sales and repairs and sales, whichever way you want to put it. We do both of it. Both. We repair amplifier, we sell amplifier, we sell like PA system amplifier, all that stuff, speakers, stuff like that. Yeah, we buy used one, we cone them and stuff like that, and we sell them back. And also amplifier, if you guys need any amplifier, new type amplifier, old type, Phoenix Gold, Rockford Frostgate, Iphonics, and all those stuff, we have them. Those, that are the MTX. We have a bunch of those kicker amplifiers. Yeah, we have a bunch of those too. And audio pipe. Yeah, we have a bunch of those. And yeah, we have a lot of amplifiers in stock if you guys want to stick to old school amplifiers, and but that's it for this repair, and everything is okay. And another thing guys, I put by the original MOSFET back, just to match everything up, and everything is okay. So yeah, that's it for this video, and everything is working fine. Everything is okay with this amplifier now. So that was a successful repair. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, and if you don't like what you see, you know what to do. Don't come back. Just kidding, man. That's how it goes. But you have the haters too. No matter what you do, you never right. So that's how it goes. Can't live without them. That's how it goes. Make you stronger. But that's how it goes. Everything is good for this, and thank you guys again. I really appreciate it. And soon, and very soon, I'll have more video coming up on repairs. So you guys just keep tuning to my channel, and you'll see a bunch of stuff. Ask questions, and I'll try and answer them as best I can, for you guys. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys. CNC Electronics Repair and Sales out.
Hold on.